Ever wonder why some Airbnb listings in Thailand are fully booked, while others struggle to get a single click? Well, you're about to find out why, and more importantly, how you can create a listing that guests can't resist. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the inside scoop on making your Airbnb listing in Thailand totally irresistible. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first, Thailand attracts all kinds of travelers, from budget-conscious backpackers to luxury seekers looking for a five-star experience. Whether your property is a cozy bungalow in Chiang Mai or a chic condo in Bangkok, the key to success starts with understanding who you're trying to attract. Take, for example, this listing in Phuket that caters specifically to digital nomads. It's booked solid, and here's why. The host knows their audience inside out, and so should you. Let's talk about headlines. Most people make the mistake of going too generic, like well-appointed apartment in Bangkok. Yawn. Now imagine this instead. Stunning ocean view in Phuket, steps from the beach. See the difference? Your headline should instantly grab attention and tell potential guests exactly why your place is special. Here's a quick tip. Use keywords that resonate with your target audience. Words like luxury, cozy, authentic, or local experience can make your listing stand out. And when it comes to the description, keep it clear and engaging. Highlight what makes your place unique, whether it's the rooftop pool, the proximity to local restaurants and markets, or the stylish decor. Now, if you think your photos don't matter, think again. Great photos are your listing's first impression, and they can make or break a booking. Imagine scrolling through blurry, poorly lit images. Would you book that place? Probably not. Here's how you do it right. Declutter your space, use natural light, and show off the best angles. And don't worry, you don't need to hire a professional photographer. Even with your smartphone, you can capture stunning images with just a little effort. Plus, there are plenty of free or inexpensive photo editing tools to make your images pop. I'll link to some below this video. Just a few tweaks can turn a good photo into a great one. Pricing. It's one of the trickiest parts, right? How do you price your place to attract bookings without underselling it? Here's the deal. Your pricing needs to be competitive, but also reflect the value of what you're offering. A good strategy is to check what similar listings in your area are charging, then adjust based on your amenities, location, and the season. And here's an unexpected tip: offering last-minute deals or discounts for longer stays can seriously boost your occupancy rate, especially during the low season. Now, let's talk about you, the host. Your profile is just as important as your listing. A friendly, well-written bio builds trust and makes guests feel more comfortable booking with you. Here's a pro tip. Consider adding a short video introduction. Seeing your face and hearing your voice can create a personal connection that sets you apart from other hosts. Reviews are gold. A handful of great reviews can do wonders for your listing's visibility and attractiveness. So, how do you get those 5-star ratings? It's simple. Go the extra mile for your guests. Whether it's providing local tips, offering a welcome gift, or just being responsive and friendly, these little touches make a big difference. And don't be shy about asking your happy guests to leave a review. Most will be more than happy to do it. So, there you have it. The key steps to making your Airbnb listing in Thailand truly irresistible. From crafting the perfect headline to nailing your photos and pricing, you're now equipped to stand out in a crowded market. And as promised, here's your bonus tip. Consider offering a small welcome gift, like a local snack or guidebook. It's a simple gesture that can lead to rave reviews and even repeat guests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow hosts, and don't forget to subscribe to Vacay Homes Thailand for more tips on how to make the most out of your Airbnb listings. Got questions or your own tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.